up, guys? Long time no see, but in the meantime, a lot of things happen. Let's start with telling you a little story. Once upon a time, there was a girl that decided to start streaming. Before that, of course, she started to play a lot of games and joining this amazing world. When she started to stream, she was thinking that it cannot be so hard. Let's say it's not hard to stream, but if you don't want to do a full-time streaming, well, it can be really tiring. She was starting to watch other streamers and she said, "Oh my god, what quality they have! I want that too." But of course that means money. She started with a new PC, quite amazing. A cheap microphone, a better webcam, a new keyboard and a capture card. Of course, perhaps you know or you don't, the webcam and the capture card were present. What she needs now? A support for microphone or a better microphone, why not? Some lights for webcam because you can see there is not such a great quality, a bigger power supply and a better monitor. But she was nice or a naughty girl. She asked Santa Claus for one thing. Let's see if that's the thing that she needs and wish.
Okay, so what do we have here? I have a present from Santa Claus, and that's quite amazing. Thank you so much, Santa Claus. It's really big and heavy, and let me show it to you. Are you ready, guys? I cannot wait to open it. Here it is, the present from Santa Claus. I hope it is what I really want and need, because right now I need that thing, but we're gonna see about that. So let's try and open it. So it means that I was a nice girl because I received what I really wanted and need for my PC. So, oh my god, that's amazing. Okay guys, are you ready? Let me show it to you. Yes. I will turn it. Just give me 1 second. So, I received a better power supply because mine isn't so great. But this looks amazing and it's ME series. Perhaps you don't know, but it's better. And yeah, you can search on Google to see more about that. I cannot wait to taste it. I cannot wait. Okay, let me see if I can open this one with one pen. Yeah, I think I can. Yes. I want to show it to you, and after that, of course, I'm gonna start and install it and see how this is gonna work. Oh my god, it's really heavy. Webcam, what's wrong with you? It can work. Don't worry. No! Let me put this here for a second. There. And let's try and see how this is. I don't know how to open it. Oh, here. How is it? I think I have to try something like that. No, yes. Oh my god. I have a cable, which is normal. Manual. Important information, I have to read that. Screws and things to help you with the cables. I have a bag where are the cables, I think so. I'm gonna show it to you. Come on, get out. And this is the actual power supply, which looks like this, and it's heavy. That means that it's what it is. This is what it is. And here is crochet, and the cables, of course, because you need cables. And it's amazing. That's all it is. I have to tell you guys. So, in the meantime, I want to ask you guys, if you're streaming, do you have problems when you're streaming, like lagging or things like that? Because I might have a solution for you. I have some settings. Even if you're using Streamlabs or OBS, it doesn't matter, and perhaps it can help you. It really depends what specs you have. So, if you need some help, please write in the comments, and I'm gonna do a video about that. I did that, and it's amazing. You can check my streaming channel in the description below, and you can see that there is a big difference. Until next time, I wish you a Merry Christmas, and stay safe, be nice, don't forget about that.